Advertising is entering a new era, moving faster, reaching further, adapting in real time, and delivering better outcomes. That's why advertisers need intelligence that can act. Meet NIVO. NIVO transforms how advertising operates with real-time action across the full lifecycle. From creative to delivery, where plans easily become placements and campaigns are built for launch, to measurement, where live signals become clear, actionable insight, and to optimization, where spend shifts faster and performance improves continuously. It all begins with data, the foundation that powers every signal, decision, and action. Agents act, automating specialized tasks across the workflow with speed and precision. Orchestration connects, bringing every action together into one coordinated system. And NIVO is the brain that powers it all, with shared intelligence so everything continuously learns, evolves, and improves. Campaigns move faster. Workflows become seamless. Performance gets stronger. All with transparency, control, and governance at omni-channel scale, turning complexity into performance. NIVO, advertising at the speed of light.